Hi guys, so in this video I'll be doing a twiddle on my natural hair using the curly curl cream from Taliah Waajid. So I'm starting on some freshly washed hair and I'm just taking off the turban as you're seeing. So I have my hair in 4 sections as I always do, and I'm going to show you the product that I'm using, which again is the curly curl cream from Taliah Waajid. And then now what I'm going to do is pin the 3 sections of hair just so that I can have more space for the back section that I'll be working on. And you're seeing me looking away. I was watching a show at the time of filming, so don't mind my face. But yes, I'm unraveling my hair, and honestly, that leave-in conditioner did my hair justice. It really made my hair extremely soft, and I'm happy about that. So now I'm going to part this section off that I'm going to be using to do the Twaid, and you're just going to see that sped up quickly. Alrighty, so I have the section here and I'm just going to split that again into 2 so that I don't have massive twaids. I can have medium versions. So I have the section here and I'm going to spritz the area with water as I usually do. Just a little bit though because my hair was soft. So I'm just showing you the amount that I'm going to be using on that section of hair. Not much because it's a small section. So I'm just raking my fingers to the hair just to evenly coat it as much as possible. And then I am going to use my comb just to go through the area quickly. And then I'm going to start the braiding process, because remember it is a half braid and a half twist. So I am braiding the top part like I said, and you're just going to see that quickly. I'm taking my time because I want it to be as neat as possible. I suggest you do the same if you choose to do this style, or any style for that matter. Then now I am just going to twist the remaining section, combing out and applying gel, well, not gel, the product as needed. And that is what I'll be doing for the remaining sections of my hair. So as per usual, I coil my ends just so that the style can have a little more curl and that the twist doesn't unravel. And I'm just going to continue the twaids until I show you the back section. Alright, so these are what the 2 twaids in the back are looking like, nice and juicy. And that's what I'll be doing for the rest of my hair. So I'll be back with the finished results. Alrighty, so I have completed all my twaids and these are what they're looking like. So I don't know how long I will keep these in for. It all depends on the weather. If it is sunny for the next 2 to 3 days, I will leave them in for that time and then I'll be back to unravel my hair. However, if it isn't, I will just allow my hair to stay until I think that it is completely dry. So I will be back when I think it is time to unravel my hair. All right, y'all, so it has been about 2 days since I washed my hair and styled it, and now I'm ready to take these twaids down. Luckily for me, I was able to air dry these twaids, so I am really excited to see how my hair will turn out. If you are new to my channel, I do not unravel with any type of oil because my hair products already have oil in them, and seeing that I have low porosity hair, I don't want to add any more oil that will just sit on my hair strands and not be absorbed. So with that being said, I am going to start unraveling. Since I don't have any oil on my hands though, I will be extremely careful when unraveling. So as you're seeing, I am just taking apart the twisted section, then I'm going on into the braided section. So I'm just taking my time and just unraveling, and from what I can feel, my hair does indeed feel really soft. I don't know if that is due to the curly curl cream or the leave-in or the combination, but I like how soft my hair feels. It does not feel too soft to where I have to wonder if I will get a lot of hold, but my hair does indeed feel moisturized, and here is the first twaid undone. So I'm going to unravel the rest of these twaids on camera, then I will be back when my entire hair is completed. Alright y'all, so here are the unraveled results. I actually love my results. Yes, there's some parts that are sticking out, but when my hair gets tied down when I sleep, I like the results in the morning. I definitely love the definition, and although the curly curl cream has a soft hold, like I said, I can tell that this is going to last the entire week. I am looking forward to seeing what my hair looks like as the days go by, but here is it freshly done. I will put up pictures for day 1 hair, day 3 hair, and day 5 hair, because I would have done my hair about 2 days ago, so day 5 hair would lead me up to my 7 days of me keeping this style in. So I'm excited to see how fluffy my hair will get and how voluminous my hair will get. So these are the freshly done curls that I will show now. So yes, so far I gave the curly curl cream a 7 out of 10. There are some frizzy pieces, but overall it is a very decent cream. I do like the moisture that my hair has and the definition, and that is criteria that I look for when rating a cream or any styling product for that matter. So far I really like the curly curl cream. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who is interested in trying the curly curl cream on a Twaid out or just on their type 4 natural hair but has no idea how it will work. Definitely send this video to them, and while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.